Hello students, in this video we will learn about the functions, how to find the value of the function and how to find the inverse of the function. So we can take some examples. If you have a function, we always write the function in this notation. After this we can write it like this: f of x is equal to 5 minus 2x divided by 3x. So for example, if in the first part we have to find f of minus 2. So see, instead of x we have to put minus 2. So 5 minus 2 times minus 2 divided by 3 times minus 2. So 5 minus minus plus 2 2s are 4 divided by 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 by minus 6, both are divisible by 3. So we will divide it by 3. So we will get minus 3 by 2, and then we can write it minus 1 whole 1 by 2 if you want to give the answer in fraction, or if you want to give the answer in decimal form, you can give the answer in decimal form. Now in the second form, we have to find the inverse of the function. So first we will write the question again. F of x is equal to 5 minus 2x divided by 3x. So for this we have to remember some important points. First we will just put f of x is equal to y. So over here I'm putting f of x is equal to y is equal to 5 minus 2x divided by 3x. This is the first step, okay? You have to put f of x is equal to y. In the second step, you just have to make x as a subject. Make x as a subject. So see, we don't have anything in the denominator, so it is 1. After this, we will do the cross multiplication. Y times 3x is equal to 1 times 5 minus 2x. So this will be 3xy is equal to 5 minus 2x. Now I am just writing the x term on one side, 3xy, as it is minus 2x. When it goes to the other side, we have to write plus 2x is equal to 5, x common. So we will write 3y plus 2 is equal to 5. And as this bracket is multiplying with x, when it goes to the other side, we have to divide it. And in the last step, we just have to put, it is the third step, okay? You just have to put, instead of x, we have to put f inverse x. And instead of y, we have to put x. So see, over here you have to write f of inverse x is equal to 5 divided by 3x plus 2. So see, you just have to follow these 3 steps. The first step is this one. Always you have to put f of x is equal to y. Always. And after this, always you have to make x as a subject. This is the second step. And when you make x as a subject in the last, you just have to put x is equal to f inverse x, and then y is equal to x. So these are the 3 steps. Let's take another example. I just want to show you how to find the inverse. If we have a other function, f of x is equal to 3 divided by x minus 2, and we have to find f inverse x. So we have to follow the steps. What was the first step? We will write the question. First step is we have to take f of x is equal to y. So y is equal to 3 divided by x minus 2. In the second step, This is the first step. In the second step, make x as a subject. So we will do the cross multiplication, y times x minus 2 and 3 times 1. So xy minus 2y is equal to 3. And then we can write xy is equal to 2y plus 3 because I'm just shifting this to the other side. And then I'm making x as a subject, so I will divide y on the other side. So see, in the last step, as you are just following the steps, so instead of x you have to put f inverse x, and instead of y you have to put x. So see, f inverse x is equal to 2x plus 3 divided by x. And for example, in some cases, if they are saying put or find f inverse any value you can take, if I'm taking 3, so instead of x you just have to put 3. 2 times 3 plus 3 divided by 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3. So the answer will be 3. So just you have to remember these 3 steps for finding the inverse of the function. So if you want to ask any question, you can write in the comment box. See you tomorrow.